Hello guys, good afternoon. Samahan niyo kaming pumunta sa we're going to GP today kasi kailangan ni Chris na what's that, honey? Vaccine. Yeah. He needs a hepatitis B vaccine. Kasi nung nagpunta kaming Korea, 'di ba, nagpa full body medical check-up. So nakita sa blood niya na wala pala siya noon. So punta kami sa GP today. Tada! Ang init ngayon, guys. What's the temperature, honey? It's 33 degrees today. Medyo cool sa car, of course, pero sa labas mainit, everyone. Pero mas okay na to kaysa sa maulan, diba? Maulan ang panahon. Kamusta ang araw nyo? How's everybody?
And if they want to remove, they should do like over TD cannot do. People. Then in the people like cannot do anything. Should be doing.
We're almost here. We're actually here. We just have to park. Diyan kami pupunta, guys, sa Eastgate Medical Center. We always come here.
You are mentioning is parking here, right?
Yeah. You can park there. Park tayo dito, guys. We used to live here. 2000, way back 2018 to 20. So, tara guys. Samahan natin ang aking pinakamamahal na asawa. Okay. Yeah, we're going that way. Ah, so hot. Grabe init, guys. So, did you make an appointment with Dr. Fayod? Can tell her you have an appointment at what time? 4:30? Yeah. Guys, yun niya si Chris. Parang hindi niya magalaw yung isa niyang braso. His left arm. Show your left arm, honey.
Yes. Yes, can I get it?
Nothing in there. Ah, that one.
From
Done.
here.
We can go home now. Sabi ko sa kanya, makakapag-drive ba siya? Kasi yung isa niya ay may isang kamay ay, isang arm ay may tusok. Sabi niya, normally nag-drive daw siya na just one hand. Very proud pa yan.
Many cars.
Ang dami sasakyan. So traffic. Okay. Let her pass. Guys, dyan kami nakatira dati.
Turn right onto Newey Street.
Wow. It's been a while. So guys, pauwi na kami. Thank you so much for watching sa aming very short video.
Continue straight to stay on
If you have
Newey
time,
Street.
you can click like and subscribe. Honey, you say like and subscribe.
nice and subscribe.
No power, like and
In
subscribe.
200 meters,
Thank
at
you,
the
bye-bye.
roundabout, take the second